Alright guys, today's video, I'm super excited to tell you guys about it. Let's get into it. Alright, yo, what is good you guys? I hope everybody's having a good day. A couple of months ago I made a video that was basically how to download the Snkrs app in Canada. And the reason why I made this video is because we never had a Snkrs app in Canada, and basically everybody that was in Canada had to download the US app to, partake in the US stock. But everything has changed because today, August 8th, 2019, we officially in Canada got the Snkrs app. Put some fire or some shit. Basically in this video we're gonna have a rundown. We're gonna talk about the Snkrs app. We're gonna talk about all of it. Before we start the video, like always, make sure you guys go down there and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and you guys have been killing the subscribe button, and thank you guys so much. Honestly, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Without further ado, let's talk about this Snkrs app. Let's talk about all the how-tos and all that shit. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. So yeah guys, like I mentioned, for the longest time, Canada never had the Snkrs app. If you guys know or if you guys don't know, the Snkrs app is basically an application which, you have a possibility of getting some limited sneakers, rare sneakers, or even GR sneakers. For the longest time, the US only had this app, and everybody in Canada had to, download the US app and then try to partake in that stock, ship it to the US, and it just wasn't a fun time. Well, I'm not gonna lie, it was actually a lot of fun, and the reason for that is that, we were able to get rare sneakers like, the Travis Scott Air Jordan, and because we didn't have any of that in Canada, it was so exciting to do it in the US. But now, today, August 8th, 2019, we finally got the Snkrs app in Canada. Now, I know before you guys get super excited, there's a couple of differences between the Canadian app and the US app, and there's also a little bit different in the process, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna break down a couple of questions for you guys, and let's go. So, number one, how do you access the Snkrs app in Canada? In the US, the Snkrs app was actually an application that you had on your phone and you could open it from your phone. The difference between the US one and the Canada one now is that there actually isn't a physical application. It's actually just a remote desktop website. So basically what you have to do is you go nike.ca. Right here on the home page, you guys can see, ooh, it says right there, the Snkrs app has arrived. As we click it, you can see that your ultimate sneaker destination, you got the Sakai's, the Kaleidoscopes, the Nigel Sylvesters. I pray that all of those actually restock, because that'll be so sick. But basically, that just explains what the Snkrs app is. To get on the Snkrs app and the desktop website, you just gotta go to nike.ca, and it'll literally be on the desktop, or you click men's, and you can look up the Snkrs launch calendar. So, number two, now that you guys have gotten to the website, how do we actually use the desktop sneakers? Now, in order to use the desktop sneakers, you're gonna need an account. So what I highly suggest is that make a account that is completely different from your US sneakers account. So my advice to you guys is don't mix up your US address with your Canadian one. Just make it two different accounts and just make a Canadian account. And also, while you're making your account, make sure you guys fill in your account details, because when you check out a sneaker, it'll save you guys a lot of time when you don't have to fill in your details. So now moving on to number three, how do you actually buy sneakers on the Snkrs desktop site? So basically what happens is that you'll be notified about a sneaker dropping a little bit in advance. So you'll know that the sneaker is dropping at about 10 o'clock. What you do is you go onto the upcoming sneakers and you'll click on the sneaker that you want to buy, and at the bottom right corner, it'll say coming soon. So I'm not 100% sure if you actually need to refresh or if you don't need to refresh and it does it by itself, but make sure you guys try that first. At the set time, the coming soon sign will actually go away and you'll get a size selection. Now in this size selection, it's better to choose whatever size that you want and check out as quickly as you can. When you add the selected size to cart, basically you get taken out to the nike.ca checkout page. Now it's a little bit different because yes, your address is already filled out, but your credit card is not filled out already because it's a desktop app, and it's not like the US Snkrs account where everything is already filled. So you add the sneaker to cart, you go to your cart and you fill out your credit card information and you check out as quickly as you can. Basically, this is how the Snkrs app works. So far, we've had a couple of restocks, which is like the Turbo Greens as well as the Clot 13s, which was a huge restock. And a lot of people have hit using this method, and the Snkrs app is slowly getting to a point where it's successful most of the time. Basically, you just need to follow those three steps. Number one, you have to get on the Snkrs website. Number two, you have to make a Canadian Snkrs account. And number three, at the time of the drop, just be present, check out, fill out your credit card information, and pray that you got the sneakers. Honestly guys, I just want to say that, being a sneaker collector from Toronto and being a sneaker collector from Canada, it's not as easy to get sneakers as it is for the rest of the world, and just having the sneakers app, whether it be the desktop app or, you know, the phone app or whatever it is, having this right now is another possibility for us to get sneakers, and I'm 100% grateful because yo, I want to cop my sneakers, man, and it's really hard to cop it off the US site. So we have another chance now, and I just wanted to let everybody know that the Canadian sneakers is officially live. So there you guys have it. Basically, I just wanted to explain that we finally got the Canadian sneakers app, how to use the app, and basically as time goes on, I'm gonna learn more and more tips and tricks about the app. So I'm definitely gonna share that all with you guys. In the comments below, let me know how excited you guys are to finally have the sneakers app in Canada. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this moment, myself especially, so I'm super pumped. I really hope in the next coming days or the next coming weeks or months or whatever, there's gonna be some huge restocks, so make sure you guys start setting up the app, start using it, get a little familiar with it, because there will definitely be some fire restocks and you don't want to miss out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys go down there and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Good luck copping all your sneakers. 1, 2, later.